Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to make a very elegant outfit that you could see in my doll repaint last Friday. For this dress I will need two kinds of lace, the wide lace for a skirt and a thin elastic lace for a top. Let's start with the skirt. I take a half meter of wide lace, fold it and sew the short sides of it together. Then I take an elastic thread and gather one of the long sides of the skirt. I have shown this elastic thread in my video a couple of days ago. There I show my new craft supplies and give all prices and the links, so you can find it there. And the skirt is ready, super easy. Now let's make a top. I take a piece of elastic lace about 5 cm wide, wrap it around the doll's body, fix it with pins and cut off the rest. And then I just sew this cut line together. In this case it's very important to use a stretch lace or stretch fabric, otherwise you will not be able to get it on your doll. Now the basic top is ready and I still want to decorate the neckline with such a beautiful crystal string. This one I have also showed in the same craft supplies video. And here is our elegant outfit. I think it's a dress for a real modern princess. So please don't forget to put your likes if you enjoy the end result, and of course subscribe my channel if you don't want to miss my new doll videos every Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. And see you very soon in my next video. Bye!